Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's a gorgeous summer flowering shrub. It's a new Deutzia, and it's Deutzia Strawberry Fields. And it's got hanging, nodding flowers in summer, pink with a little hint of white, but really tough, winter hardy shrub, old-fashioned shrub. Deutzias are wonderful, well worth planting. Now to plant this is the time of year to plant Deutzia Strawberry Fields. It's going to grow roughly about 1.5 meters high and about 1.5 meters across. Foliage is light green, and then the flowers is gorgeous pink, just arching stems. This time of year to plant it, all you need to do is dig a hole twice the depth of the pot, put some Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, swell well compost and soil on top, and the same back in around. Give it good watering in, occasional feeding then with Flower Max to keep it in good condition, and it'll flower every summer for you, smothered in pink flowers. So this Deutzia Strawberry Fields, planted from now, winter hardy, reliable shrub that will be with you for years and years to come. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.